Hello and welcome.
Hey guys, welcome back again. We told you we are going to be a bit more consistent with these vloggity vlogs. What are we doing?
What did you tell them? It's your story.
Oh guys, I got impatient or whatever and we went and bought a car, but a car that I have actually wanted for a really long time.
Really long time.
Probably since we've been together, so about 3, 4, 5, 6 years.
3, 4, 5, 6?
Yeah, I'm going to get in trouble for that later. Anyway, we are pretty much, it is now 6 o'clock. We are about to drive basically to Queensland from New South Wales, so that is approximately about an 8-hour drive. We had heaps of dramas because Brisbane's going into quarantine, so I had to get the car towed from Brisbane to a place outside of Brisbane so that we could go and pick it up tonight. So it's sitting at
Do we still have to cross the border?
No, so we don't have to cross the border. I don't think so. We're gonna wait and see. I've never really towed anything like a car trailer or anything like that before. I've done boats, but
never driven to
I'm so
Brisbane?
nervous. I don't know. So we're going to take you guys along for the ride, pick the car up, bring it home, and then give you a bit of a walk around. And
yeah, depending on the trip, we might be spending the night in the car.
yeah, we've got a car. We've got a DVD player though back here, so I brought some DVDs, like old school. You probably guys wouldn't even know what a DVD is, I suppose. I'm bringing my co-driver, who's probably going to fall asleep. So
I'm the one who's been working all day.
yeah. Anyway, we'll catch you guys like on the trip, and yeah, we'll fill you in.
Yeah.
Life's good. Oh. Real shit, never tell a lie. Real shit, never tell a lie. Yeah. Real shit, never tell a lie. Real shit, never tell a lie. Yeah. Life's good, so I'm living great. I hit on my leg, we should take a vacation.
So, on the way, probably about 5 hours off. We got a message, a call from the tow truck company who's bringing the car from Brisbane to where we're meeting them, because that was another story in itself, like Brisbane's going into lockdown. Anyway, they said that the cops rocked up and said that the guy can't, so he's dropping it off in a secure location with the keys and everything like that. And he said that the cops rocked up and won't let him leave the car there in this spot, so he's going to have to like try to leave it out on the street, which we don't know where the area is. It'd be sketchy, it'll be like, sketchy area. Nothing ever goes smoothly or to plan or whatever, I don't know what it is. But we're probably about 5 hours away. I'm probably sending it a little bit more now because we want to try and get there, and we've got to make sure.
I'm starving.
Yeah, starving has leave for like 30 minutes. So we just thought we'd give you a little update on there, and then I think
Waking up my demons, they in better shape. Demons on my back, get them away from me. Cut it like a razor blade.
Guys, you probably can't even see me. Terrible lighting, I'm sorry. It's 1:30, 2 a.m. in the morning. But we made it. So I'm going to get too much of it away. I'll do like a full walk around and everything of this. We're just gonna pop it on the trailer now and get it all tied down, and yeah, see if I can do a bit of a
Has it always had that colour interior? Oh, that's good. That's cool. Oh. Ready? these pants. She's up. And he's stressed.
So fam, it's currently about 3 a.m. In the morning. What time is it?
I don't know, I can't see because of the...
Whatever, it's probably about 3 a.m. I think. We've just got the car loaded up. Can't wait to do a walk around and everything and show you guys that, because that's going to be pretty cool, and we're going to be, you know, learning how this one saved the day. We're just going to go get fuel now and find somewhere to sleep tonight, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning.
Life's good. Oh. Real shit, never tell a lie. Real shit, never tell a lie. Yeah. Real shit, never tell a lie. Real shit, never tell a lie. Yeah. Life's good, so I'm living great. I hit on my leg day, we should take a vacay.
What is freaking going on, guys? It is a couple of days later from when you saw on. Em's gone home, she had to go to work. I go to work in the afternoon. But I thought I'd really quickly cap the video off here, because the last time, you know, it was sort of daytime. We had a huge massive drive to get the car back, and we were just so tired. Basically slept the whole of yesterday. But freaking check this out. I'm gonna give you guys a teaser. I'm sorry, we'll give you some more in depth, but she looks pretty damn stock. But for those who know this car, this is the fastest N54 in the world. Open up, tail glide, trans brake, drag radials in the rear. That's all I'm gonna really share with you guys today. But she does get down, that's for sure. Yeah, so pretty much thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll frickin' see you in the next one. Peace.
Hey, turn on like a light switch, having black holes snort.